Today I have brought the Telegram bot that can earn money. How we can earn money from this and who is this bot? Okay, as always, I welcome to my channel. I am Sanjay Kumar. Before going to the video, we need to remind you if you have subscribed to our channel or click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to our channel. This bot name is Boom. Go to the link in the description below and open this bot and click start. Then it comes like this. You can see that this bot loaded very nicely. You have received 5000 coins for free because you joined through my link. Go to the link in the description to get 5000 coins for free and start this bot. All you have to do is tap this baby bull and you can collect Boom coins. You can also click on the reward above and get coins for the day. Today is the first day and I got 1000 coins. Next task. You have to do some small things as a task, that is to follow their social media account. I am now joined the Telegram channel. Okay, I got 10,000 coins now. Next, invite friends. The invite bonus of this bot is 5000 coins. Both the owner of the link and the person who joins from the link will get 5000 coins each. Since this coin has not been released yet, it is not possible to withdraw it now, but you can get these coins in your crypto wallet in a few days when you are collecting coins. Okay, so that's all that I have to say about this bot. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and with the hope of seeing you in another video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.